Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Misoprostol 200 micrograms is a medication often used for reproductive health. You can insert these tablets into the vagina at home. Before you start, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. It is also helpful to empty your bladder first for comfort. Find a comfortable position to begin the process. You may choose to lie on your back with your knees bent. Some people prefer to stand with one foot resting on a chair or the toilet. Remove the tablet from its packaging carefully. Hold the pill between two fingers. Gently push the tablet into your vagina as far as it can comfortably go. You do not need to reach a specific spot. Just use your finger to guide it deep inside. If your doctor prescribed multiple tablets, insert them one by one. After you have inserted the medication, wash your hands again. It is important to lie down for at least 30 minutes. This rest period allows the medicine to dissolve and be absorbed by your body. Do not worry if you see small pieces of the tablet later. The active medicine is absorbed quickly through the vaginal lining. You will likely experience cramping and bleeding shortly after use. These are expected side effects of the medication. Use a sanitary pad instead of a tampon to manage any bleeding. Always follow the specific instructions provided by your healthcare provider. They will tell you exactly how many tablets to use for your situation. Stay in a quiet and private place where you feel safe. Monitor your symptoms closely as the medication begins to work.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.